Parents living in the Med City will have more options for daycare and preschool. A new Spanish immersion school opened its doors just today. KIMT News 3's Jeremy Wall is live from the open house. Jeremy?
Amy, we have a crowd here at the Tierra Encantada open house. Not that long ago, they held a ribbon cutting. They even gave me some of the ribbon to mark the opening of the Spanish Immersion Daycare Center. The school provides education for children from 6 weeks old to 6 years old. Students will be learning and engaging in the Spanish language. The Early Childhood Education Center decided to come to the Med City because of its growing population. Marketing Director Erica Taylor tells me Tierra Encantada decided to come here because Rochester is filled with families who want their children to engage and grow in ways they can at home.
We are an organization that has been growing. A couple years ago, we just had one center, and now we have 6. And the reason we are finding is that there are parents that have a need for quality childcare that offers more than just putting a child in a seat and keeping them safe.
Classes begin next week here at Tierra Encantada, and already 20 families have children that are registered for classes. Live in Rochester, Jeremy Wall, KIMT News 3.
Thank you very much, Jeremy. And the school operates several schools in the Twin Cities and across the country.